Hello my wonderful people, it's your girl, your sister Didi Sonia here again. You are welcome to my kitchen, my lovely people. Today we want to eat beans. Now brown beans, now we want to cook today. We'll continue the process as we go kitchen. I want to make these beans. Now our fire now the water, so we pour this beans inside. Go boil well with low heat. Go cough, throw away the water. We'll continue to the cooker. We'll go check our beans. And see as the water dark, we'll throw away this water. So we'll first remove all this one where they on top where not good. We'll remove and throw away like this. We don't filter the black water come out. We'll cup with enough water. We'll put our onion inside. Now see very big, one large onion. Now we put inside. We'll put small salt because we go fry the sauce. Well, we go pour them inside. Make the salt not go too much. We'll cover and make it cook. Yeah. Now ginger and garlic, 3 tomato. I cut them. I remove the seed. I don't need the seed inside my beans. Here now 1 ball of onions. Go blend them. Fry and we'll go put for inside our beans. See our pepper, I almost forget her. Don't put her inside the blender. We will blend her. See, if you use this method, you don't need to bleach your oil. She said the oil never met. As you just pour your oil inside your pan, so you go pour your blended pepper, tomato, and onions inside. Go fry until go dry water. We'll pour inside our beans. By then, our beans good already. So now our stew with this. We'll go pour inside our beans. You don't the dry water. Half Maggi cube. Then salt to taste. Mix some. We'll pour our fresh fish inside. We'll continue to the fry. We'll go fry and see it dry. The fish go down inside. We'll pour inside our beans. At this time, so our stew already. We'll go pour for our beans. Don't dry. We'll transfer our beans back. Like so, we go pour them inside. We mix some. We'll cover that. Make it done inside. It's finished. We'll go check our beans. It's all ready. Lastly, now what we go put for inside with this. Our purple onions, our white onions, and onions leaf. I don't know what they call it. Spring onions. It don't come. Now the name be that one. We don't pour that inside. I like my beans make get small water. No go too thick, no go too watery. And see our beans is already. So my wonderful people, and the result of our beans be that too. Now see as it fine. And so it tastes nice. So I'm gonna drop on a comment. Wait till I go use and take it. Plantain, fried yam. Garri. Now see my garri for inside my cup. Now garri me want use and take it because now some will do for this side. More pork water me will use and take it. Mona subscribe to my YouTube channel Didi Sonia TV. Mona follow me for my Facebook Didi Sonia, TikTok Didi Sonia. Thank you all. May God bless you. See you all for my next video. Bye bye.